Imagine that this is your spine. Now, Tai Chi Tom here actually has more of a Tai Chi spine. The curves are not natural, and he's bowed his spine a little bit to the outside. Can you see that? Normally our spine, we have a curve at the neck, and then we have a counter curve at the thoracic, and then we have a curve at our low back, and then we have our pelvis, and then we have our legs kind of underneath. So we got this curve which works as a nice shock absorber. But as far as being able to take that incoming force, what the Tai Chi has found is that if our curve is more like a very gentle curve of a bow and arrow, so this is the back of the bow and arrow, okay, then you can absorb and receive force and deliver force more effectively and efficiently. Now, but what I don't want you to do is to say, oh, okay, well, because I need to do this. All right, that's not, and you'll see Tai Chi players doing this. This is way too much, too exaggerated. So what I want you to feel and imagine is if this was your spine, and let's say this is the back of the spine. Okay, so this is the back of the spine here. So when I say expand your back, some of us, including myself for a while, was pulling back on the back of my spine. So I was trying to open up and expand by expanding the back of my spine backwards. What I want you to do is think of this part of your body being the soft underbelly, and that instead you're expanding into the inside and expanding the back, creating the bow this way. It's much more effective to create a bow by me receiving or pressing into it, see, with this device, than me trying to pull. I can't even do that. That's the difference. Okay, so let's try it with just stand with a nice wide stance, and we're going to do peacock, our punch. So let's assume, oh, well, let's just do it. We'll lift up our left knee and place it down. And then right here, I want you to feel, don't actively scrunch, don't scrunch. Just feel like you're receiving as you come forward with the elbows, that this is receiving and expanding into your back, into your spine. Now you're really balanced. Should be a nice open feeling in your back, turning, still the same thing. And then I imagine that this is the bow and arrow, and my arrow is here. And I turn the floor and I just let it go. Yeah, that's nice. Good. Big circle. Let's do it to the other side. Lift up the right, down. Now open. As you turn and you're sending energy forward, then you're absorbing in here and creating that nice curve in your low back, or in your back. As your counterbalance, pull it apart and be the bow and arrow. Turn the floor, it starts with the feet, and let it go. Don't let our hips go. Some of us added a little extra with the hip. All you have to think literally is bow and arrow, okay? Just like the weight at the bottom of the string. You don't have to figure out how to do this. Your body will do it if we're set up right. Let's try it one more time. So we're here. Your elbows are feeling like they're lengthening forward, and you've got this nice absorption into your back. Pull it apart. Doesn't matter which one you're punching with, okay? And then envision that you are a bow, and the arrow is your arm, and just engage it with the feet. And let it go. I didn't get to see it. That looked good, Josh. Can we do one more, please? Here we go. Pull back. Again, it doesn't matter which hand. Create that bow and arrow mindset and let it go. Yeah, nice.